Today we're going to show you the surprisingly simple process of how to make milk kefir. It's really easy to make and everything you're going to need is in front of us here. Add the live kefir grains into a glass jar. Next, pour in the milk. We prefer organic whole milk, but you can also use skimmed milk, raw milk and coconut milk, to name just a few. So be sure to check out our blog for more detailed information. Next, cover the jar and leave it to culture for approximately 24 hours. After 24 hours, the first thing you will notice is the milk will be a lot thicker, with a change in texture and consistency. Once you notice this change in texture and consistency, your milk kefir is ready. Now it's time to strain the kefir grains. We recommend you stir the mixture first, then take it and pour it into a plastic sieve. You will most likely need to work the kefir through the sieve using a non-metal spoon. We want to get as much of the liquid through the sieve as possible. Now we will go ahead and add the kefir grains to fresh milk and simply repeat the process for our next batch of milk kefir. And here it is, the finished milk kefir. It's now ready to consume or store in the fridge until needed. That's it. Pretty simple.